guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Shania here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this fun, cute little spring makeup look. The dress that I'm wearing has like green and pink in it, so I thought it would be cute to do a little green eye with a pink lip, but like a really subtle pink lip, like one really suitable for me. So yeah, love the way this look came out. It's super chic and like pretty and cute. So yeah, without any more yapping, let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids real quick. I'm gonna use some concealer. So of course, I've been using this ColourPop palette for like almost every look now, but I really like it, so I'm just gonna use it today. So yeah, I'm using the ColourPop Rainbow palette. I don't think this is an actual palette on their site. I think you have to buy the shades separately, so I don't know, I need to check on that. But I'm just gonna take this green shade right here, this like lime green. It's not really lime green, but it's just green. Okay, thanks. Cool. And I'm gonna take that on a Anastasia A24 brush. And I'm just gonna pat that on my lid. I'm gonna take my ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette. And then I'm gonna go in with B1 and B3. These greens. And I'm just gonna finesse the eye a little bit. Okay, and then on the lash line, I'm gonna grab the shade E3, which is this darker green shade from that Norvina palette, and I'm just gonna smirk it out a little bit. I'm just gonna put a bit of this green in the crease as well. And I'm gonna take a little bit of black eyeshadow just to deepen up this wing area right here. Just a little bit. So the lashes that I'm wearing right now are these ColourPop lashes in the style, in the style Baddie. And they're like these really pretty like flirty lashes. I cut them in half, so like it's only on the outer corner of the eyes because I want it to be like cute and like winged out looking. So that's what I did today. Primer today, of course, I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is like honestly the best primer on the market at the moment. Oh my, my hands are so cold. Primer is best applied with your hands. Like sometimes I apply my primer with my brushes because like, I don't know, I just have a thing with touching my face. I don't like it. But when applying primer, especially like this kind, it works best with like the warmth of your hands. Just kind of like warm up the product a bit and get it to be tacky, because that's like the whole benefit of this primer. So I really like it. Okay, now I'm gonna do some color correcting like always, but I'm gonna use this Superstay concealer from Maybelline in the shade Deep Bronze. I'm gonna take my trusty Urban Decay waterproof setting powder, and I'm gonna set all of that concealer in place before I apply my foundation. And I just take a big fluffy brush and I just pat that powder on. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I actually have these new Urban Decay foundations, but they don't look like they're gonna be my shade. Let's actually try it out real quick. Let's see. So this first one is in the shade 70B. So hold on, that might work. That might work. Okay, let's just do a little bit of this on the side and just see what's popping. Hold on, y'all. This might work. Hold up. If it works. Okay, so we're not gonna use Maybelline, we're gonna use Urban Decay. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 70 NY, which is neutral yellow. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep to set under my eyes. Nothing new here. Okay, now let's do some bronzing. So I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted, of course. For blush, I'm going to take this Oh So Snatched blush from H&B Cosmetics. So bomb. And I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my cheekbones. Not like the apples on my cheeks, just the high points. Where you would like usually apply a highlighter. I'm going to take this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Electric Daisy. I'm going to take a mix of that green and black from the Norvina palette, and I'm going to get really, really close to my lash line just to define it. Okay, my lower lash line, I'm just going to do a little with this shimmery green. I don't know what that means, but I'm just going to do a little thing. I'm going to take this Maybelline, what is this? I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade Protector, and I'm going to like do an ombre type of lip situation. So I'm going to use this as a liner, even though I already have liner on. Okay, now I'm going to take this other Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade Inspirer, which is like a pink. Hopefully I don't look freaking crazy. I'm going to take a little bit of that on the center. Just on the center. And then I'm gonna top it off with some gloss. You can honestly leave it like this because it looks really cute like this, I'm not even gonna lie. But we need gloss over here. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. And I'm just gonna top her off. She's cute. Ooh. Honey. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want me to do more fun, colorful spring looks, let me know in the comment section down below. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all at Makeup by Shania. And I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, of course. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it once again. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.